Okay, I was able to get the flywheel off with the Stihl flywheel pulley, which does work on the 048 AV. And it came off. I had to pull on it pretty hard. I was surprised how it was on there. It was not going to just come off with a little bit of tapping. Okay, so here's what we have. And I'm really not sure. So I'm hoping I can put in these numbers and find out what this does. So I know that this one right here that was put together at one time, that went to the turn off, the shut off switch. This one, which wasn't ever tampered with, went to the coil. So I'm now thinking that this has to be connected to the coil, which I can do because it has this right here, which is eventually does go to the ground to turn it off. So maybe it is important that this is connected to the coil. I would like to put in these numbers and see if I can learn what this does, to see if that makes sense. And either way, I think that's what I'm going to do, is to reconnect that before I put it back together. Okay, so time to do a little research, but that's where we're at with the saw.